Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can set up Google Assistant in your OnePlus device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to long press your home screen button and here it is written Shuru Kare. Click on this to activate this and it is taking just a second. Here you have to enter your voice. First we have to add a network first. Click on Wi-Fi and click on any network. Here you have to enter the password like this. Click on save and it is connecting. Click on try again. And friends, you have it access your assistant with Hey Google. Click on more and agree all this stuff. And you can see it is captured the voice, and now you have to say something like this: Hey Google, play some music on YouTube. And friends, you can see it is captured my voice and it is playing YouTube. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.